Hello everyone, welcome friends. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the Village of Polo Ridge. This is 754 Artesia Avenue. This is a cottage series home. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is wood framed. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you. Here I'm standing on the street. This is a panoramic view of this 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home here in the Village of Polo Ridge. I will take a panoramic view of the street. You can see that is facing south, and this will be facing north. That's facing north. The first thing I notice about this home is the very deep setback. This home is set back very far. It has a very large lawn in the front. This is a wood framed home. It is a cottage series home. It does have a 1.5 car garage. And as always, you can contact either the listing agent or the showing agent, Joanie Snaith, at Realty Executives. That is the listing agent. I will introduce you to the showing agent who's in the home. As you can see, we are walking up a concrete entry path. This home does have very mature landscaping. You can see the roof line. This home seems to be in very good condition. It is a wood framed home. Let's go in and take a look what this home has to offer.
Hi, Joanie here with Realty Executives in the Villages. Thanks for stopping in today. So this is a 3-2 Corpus Christi model. It's just over 1,200 square feet and lots of little nice touches. The roof was actually updated in 2020. HVAC in 2016, and they just put in brand new floors. So as you look throughout the home, you'll see brand new carpeting in all 3 bedrooms and in the main area here. When you get to the kitchen, you'll see nice backsplash of tile, and the Lanai, one of my favorite parts of this little treasure of a home. It has glassed in area, so nice place to enjoy your morning coffee. And beautiful landscaping that was updated as well recently. So enjoy the home and please feel free to come back.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Joanie. I'll take a walk through the home and describe to my subscribers what I see. The first thing I do see here in the foyer area is a ceramic tile floor. And I do see in the living and dining room area a newer laminate wood flooring. It looks beautiful. This home shows very well. This is the living room and dining room area. And as I pan around, this would be the dining room. It has a light that would go over the table. This is the kitchen area. It does have a countertop with 3 seats that you could easily seat 3 people. The countertop does appear to be Formica countertop. You can notice that the laminate flooring does continue into the kitchen. And a lot of my subscribers do like the fact that some of these homes do offer a natural gas stove. You can see the home has white cabinetry. Seems to be pretty nice and bright. It does have a backsplash. Let's see what that's made out of. Looks like that is a tile backsplash, right? As we pan around the home, this is what it looks like from the kitchen, looking out into the living and dining room area. As always, if you have any questions, please contact the showing agent, Joanie Snaith, or the listing agent. I will include the contact information in the video. I will later on video the specification sheet. As we turn right from the kitchen, this is a closet/pantry. And the door that leads out into the 1.5 car garage. Let's take a look at what the garage looks like. The garage does have cement floors. You can see that it is a 1.5 car garage. You should easily be able to fit a car and a golf cart in this garage. You will notice that the laundry is in the garage area and the mechanicals are there behind the door. Please refer to the specification sheet for the ages of all the mechanicals. I do appreciate you joining my video today and the walk through this Cottage series home. Let's take a walk. From the dining and living area, let's take a walk into the master bedroom. As Joanie said earlier, the master bedroom does have carpet. It is newer carpet. Very nice and bright. Does have nice crown molding up on the ceiling. It is very neutrally colored. This is the master bedroom. It does have a master bathroom. That master bathroom does look like it has vinyl flooring. Let's take a look at the master bedroom closet. The master bedroom closet is a walk-in closet. It is a good sized closet. It does have shelving unit and the carpeting does continue. Let's take a walk into the master bathroom. The master bathroom does have beautiful cabinets and a single sink. The crown molding continues throughout this bathroom. Very nice. Let's take a walk inside. The bathroom does have a separate commode area. There is the commode area. And this bathroom does have a large shower. I believe that it's a 48-inch shower with 2 seats in it. Let's take a walk back out into the master bedroom area. Give you a panoramic view of the master bedroom. This home does have a split bedroom design where the master bedroom is located on the opposite side of the home as the 2 other bedrooms, what I would call the guest living area. This is the guest living area. You have bedroom number 1 on the left. You have the bathroom in the center. And you have bedroom number 2 on the right side. Again, let's go into bedroom number 2. I do notice the new carpeting in this room as well. Very nice and bright. These windows are really big in this room. That is an ironing board on the wall right there. Let's take a walk into the hallway. The hallway does have the laminate flooring, which is newer. The main bathroom does have linoleum or vinyl flooring. It does have a single bowl sink and that beautiful cabinetry with brushed stainless hardware. You can see the crown molding continues throughout. It does have a tub with a plastic surround. There is the shower and the tub. Again, very nice and bright. This room does have a solar tube that lets natural sunlight into the home. They're very popular here in the Villages, Florida. This is bedroom number 2. It does have the new carpeting, as Joanie mentioned before. I believe that is a queen size bed, just to give you perspective on the size of this room. Seem to have plenty of room in this. And as always, I will video the specification sheet so you know the exact dimensions. It does have 6-panel bifold doors. That's the panoramic view into the hallway area. I call this the guest quarters. Let's take a walk out into the lanai. This lanai is very nice. It does have a sunshade. The lanai does have painted cement floors. It does have enclosed glass windows. Those are very expensive to put in the Villages, Florida. Most lanais are screened in, and a lot of the owners of the home will convert the screen into these sliding glass windows, and they cost a lot of money. There is a bird cage off of the lanai. Let's take a look at the bird cage. I will also video the back and the side of the home. Here's the bird cage. The floor is painted cement. It's a painted cement floor. It's a very nice size bird cage. I will now go out to the backyard and video the backyard and side yards. Here's a panoramic view of the backyard. That is to the right. That is to the left. And I will back up and video the side yard. That is the side yard. Has a beautiful flowering bush over there. I'm not sure what that is. It might be a bougainvillea. Let's take a walk to the other side of the home. I'll video the other side yard. Again, this is a wood frame home, and it is located in the Village of Polo Ridge. It does have a sunshade on the lanai. That's also welcome, and those are also very expensive to put on here in the Villages, Florida. This is the side yard of the home. Let's take a walk back into the home, and I will video the specification sheet. Again, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the showing agent or the listing agent. I will include their information in the description of this video. Let's walk through the kitchen and dining area. And I will video the spec sheet if you have one available. And I'll go through some of the particulars. Here is the spec sheet. This home is located in the Village of Polo Ridge. If you have any questions, contact Joanie Snaith. The location is 754 Artesia Avenue. The list price is $308,900. The home was built in the year 2000. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. And feel free to pause the video at any point in the spec sheet. Here's the back side. This shows you the dimensions of the rooms. And I will exit the home one last time, give you a panoramic view of the living and dining room area. And I will exit the home and show you the front yard. This front yard is very large. This home does have a deep setback. This home is located north of Highway 466 in the Village of Polo Ridge. And you will find that there is more space in these homes up here. They built them further apart with deeper setbacks than in other areas of the villages. which is welcome. As always, I'll walk out to the street. Again, thank you everyone for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Have a great day. Happy Monday, everybody. Take care. Thank you for watching, everybody. This open house tour here in the village of Polo Ridge. This is a cottage series model, a wood framed home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I hope you enjoy. Take care, everybody.